Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Windows Update KB5070773 Not Installing on Windows level version 25H2 or 24H2. In this video, seeing before like and comment this video, subscribe to support our YouTube channel. In the steps one by one follow to this problem fix it. If you want more gaming and technical issues videos like this, subscribe our YouTube channel. Let's start the steps. First step for the restart. So go to the start menu. Click on the power button, select the restart button, click here to restart your system. Sometimes this method works, just to try it. Then go to the next step, services. So for that, go to that services. We can click to open that services. Then scroll down, find Windows Update. We can find and click to select and right click on the properties. Here service status is running. Then if there is a service status stopped, just to start button click here to change it. Then hit the apply and OK button click here to close it. Then go to the next step, continue follow to this problem fix it. The next step for the command promote. So go to the Windows search bar, then type that cmd, then right click on the run as administrator. This commands for SFC, give the space /scan now, like hit the enter. This process will take some time, so this verification 100% completed, then only come to back. I will skip it, then go to the next step. Troubleshoot Windows Update. So go to the settings, then click to open it, then go to the search bar in settings. They type that Windows Update, hit the enter, then scroll down, find and fixing problem with the Windows Update. Click here, then click on the next button. You will get the navigation. After that, click on the next button, click here to detecting problems and found that your issues. So wait 5 minutes, find out the problems. Here found the problems for check for Windows Update issues. Just restarted them, your problem fix it. Then go to the next step. Windows Update file corrupted. If you have corrupted files, that's error, get it. So go to the file exporter, then go to the local disk C, then go to the Windows folder, double tap to open it, then scroll down, find software distribution, then select it all, then right click, just delete button, click here to all folder delete, then come to back. Finally you restart your system, then your problem fix it, then directly go to the Windows Update, restart resum update, click here to update your latest version. If you have any doubt, subscribe to comment, I give the answer or will do make it to the video. So if you want more gaming and technical issues videos like this, subscribe our YouTube channel. Don't forget like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.